When artificial intelligence entered our classrooms, many educators asked one question: will AI replace teachers? AI can explain, AI can generate, AI can analyze, AI can personalize learning. But can AI truly understand a student's struggle, their confidence and their emotions, their potential? This requires a human touch. That is where an educator becomes irreplaceable. So perhaps the real question is not, will AI replace educators? The real question is, will educators who use AI wisely replace those who refuse to adapt? The future is not AI versus educators. The future is AI working with educators. AI gives educators something powerful: more time to focus on what matters most, learning. But powerful technology also demands responsibility, ethics, accuracy, privacy, and human judgment. A wise educator does not blindly trust AI. They question it, verify it, improve it, and use it responsibly. AI may transform education, but it is the educator who transforms lives. Use AI wisely, use it responsibly.